Did you miss me? Because if you did, welcome back to Daily Vlog 122. You might notice that my audio quality is a bit more shit. I went to the beach after waking up to go into the city to buy a different look for a different bathing suit because mine is a bit too small. I think I don't really like it. And I walked over the beach because that's just nicer. And I was halfway done, a fucking big wave catches on, and it covers me in water to my waist. And obviously, I had my phone and my money in my pockets, and they got all drenched. And now, thankfully, my phone is still fine, so it could have definitely been worse, because this thing costs 800 fucking bucks. But my mic is broken, as it seems. Yeah, so when I'm outside now, I can't really talk that much anymore. Looking like it's starting to rain soon anyway again, and yeah. This didn't give me any motivation boost, that's for fucking sure. Maybe the mic will spring back to life somehow. Maybe not, maybe I can send it in to repair. We'll see about that. I keep you guys updated, but for now, I'm just gonna sit in bed and try not to cry. Alright, see you then.